Look at what you can do with just egg whites. How delicious. Hi, Go-Zones. The other day I made some custard that was amazing and didn't need cornstarch. I'll tell you here. And why am I telling you now? Because I used 4 egg yolks, so I had 4 egg whites left over, and today I'm going to use them. We're gonna make some delicious marshmallows, a kind of really good meringues that are super easy to make. So let's get to it. We put 4 egg whites, which are the ones I had left over, in a large bowl for 4 egg whites. We're gonna add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor and a little bit of lemon juice. Just a splash. This won't add any flavor, but it will give stability to the mixture. So, is it interesting? If you don't have lemon juice, you can use a splash of white vinegar. Well, as you can see, the method is to whisk. That's right. I don't have the beaters set to full power. I have them on low speed, just turning them around and not moving the bowl. That detail is important, so they turn out even firmer. Just keep whisking until it's nice and frothy. Some people add a few drops of vanilla essence. If you do, make sure it's this kind, the one that's clear and has a really strong flavor. An important detail, as you can see, it's already full of foam. Now it's time to add the sugar, 1 cup or 200 grams. And as you can see, I do it little by little and keep whisking without stopping. You could also do this with powdered sugar and it would whip up faster, but it turns out less firm. So I stick with regular sugar. Now I turn the speed all the way up and keep mixing until it's completely firm. If you're not sure whether you did it right, flip it over. Go ahead, be brave. If it doesn't fall out, it's whipped and firm. We're gonna use this meringue in a piping bag. Pedro, could you make the little balls directly with a spoon? That's fine too. I'm gonna use a baking tray for this, with a silicone mat on top. If you don't have one, use parchment paper or wax paper. Make small mounds slightly apart, and that's it. All you have to do now is bake them and see how simple it is. They don't roast, they dry out. That's right, and how do you do that? Well, directly in the oven, but only at 90 or 100 degrees at most. The key is to leave them on the lower middle rack until they're dry. If you want them really crunchy, completely dry, about 2 hours. If you want them juicy inside, if they're big like mine, 90 minutes and that's it. And then we leave them inside the oven for an hour. With the oven turned off, that's the final trick. Look, what a masterpiece. Soft on the inside, just the way I like it, and crunchy on the outside, a real wonder. If you try them like this, decorated with a bit of cocoa, you'll be amazed. Tasty and delicious. Subscribe. Super soft. A simple recipe to use up egg whites and leave people amazed. I hope you like it. If you want more, check out the video that appears here. I'm sure you'll love it. Click on the little box and enjoy it too.